Uh-oh. Wait. Okay, whatever. I can't help you. I can't help you, girl. I can't help you. Tiger, stop it. There's nothing in there. There's nothing in there. What are you trying to look for, baby? What do you see? I don't see anything. Tiger. It might be a bug or something. Okay, nothing. I know you didn't drop your bowl in there. Girl, not you too. Girly. Tiger. There is nothing in there. Don't worry about it. Tiger. Stop it. There is nothing in there. Don't hurt yourself. Bye. Stop. No. Sit. I love you.
I'm kind of like interested to see what competitive Call of Duty will look like. I feel like it'll be good. I feel like it'll be really good. I feel like this map right here, I think it would
It's just. No, don't eat that. Is that what you were looking for? That's not edible. This is a rat. This is a rat killer. Sit. No. You're not gonna eat this. Oh. Tiger, you're so stupid. Excuse me, baby. Why don't I give you something better instead? You want one of these? Ow, don't eat me. I'll eat you. Girls. No. Are you okay? Move, babies. There. Whatever, girls. Goodbye.